guys, greetings. Hi. Earlier today we cut an airline gown, and here are the cut fabric. On the aspect of the video, we are about to couple them. I'm going to take the fabric, then couple it together, front and back, shape it, keep it. The same thing with the lining. I'm going to double check to make sure that the 1.5 inches I put is what I'm going to sew. When you get to the new measurement, so you don't have to bring out your hand immediately. You have to bring out your hand simultaneously so it doesn't look sharp at the edge. This is it with the center back. This is what we have here. So I'm going to take the front, put it against the other. So this is what I'm talking about. Put it against each other and take our final measurement. I'm done with the fabric. This is the fabric and this is the lining. It all has been sewn. So I'm going to join the two of them together. This is the front of the fabric and this is the front of the lining. So I'm going to put them together. But it's going to have a crinoline effect at the down part of the skirt. So while I'm trying to join the lining to the fabric, I'm equally going to put a crinoline at once so that when I turn it, everything will be in order. My crinoline will be on top it will be on top, so that after sewing I will use the lining to turn it, then the crinoline will be inside. I opened up the sewing and I make sure that the two lines are facing each other. It will give you accuracy, as far as you know that it's the same thing you did on the lining, you also did on the fabric. I'm going to sew this all around the down part of the skirt. So after sewing it, I will come back so we'll know how it looks like. Hello guys, yeah, I'm done sewing the fabric, the interface and the crinoline. I'm going to turn it inside out. Hello guys, this is the outcome of what we have here. This is the lining and the fabric sewn together, and this is what it gave us. This is the front. And here is the back. Look at our difference from front to back. This is it. So when you wear it, it will have a tail-like. Hi guys, we are here at the upper part. I love accuracy, so I would love to be double sure of what I'm doing, so that when I'm coupling, it won't be too hard or difficult to couple. So you know, I put in 1.5 inch zipper allowance, so I am going to mark it 1.5 inch all the way down. If possible, use a ruler to connect. So I am going to sew it. You know, we are doing in to in, so we are going to sew the lining like this, and we're also going to sew the fabric. So this is it guys. This is the zipper side. I'm here to iron it. So this is the posterior part. So I am going to join the posterior parts together. So guys, this is my bustier here. So I am going to notch some parts where necessary. Notch some parts so that the bustier will come out very perfect. So I am going to notch all around the inside of it, most especially the underbust. So here, this is it. So I'm going to iron it properly so that the curve will come out very nice and smoothly. Hello guys, so this is the posterior over here. I have ironed it out, so look at how it's looking, so perfect. So I am going to do the same thing to the lining, but beside I am going to join the front and the back. So this is what we'll have here. We are able to shape our clothes. So what next? I am going to iron it properly so it will relax.